How to save money from your salary while working. Tips and tricks. Welcome to this video about how to save money from your salary while working. As we all know, saving money is important for our financial stability and future goals. But sometimes, it can be difficult to save money while working. In this video, we will give you some tips and tricks on how to save money from your salary. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first tip is to set a budget for your monthly expenses. This will help you keep track of your spending and prevent overspending. Start by listing all of your necessary expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate a specific amount for each category. Make sure to also include some money for discretionary spending, such as entertainment or hobbies. Stick to your budget as much as possible and make adjustments as needed. Tip 2. Automate your savings. Another tip is to automate your savings. You can set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. This will make saving money easier and less of a hassle. You can also set up automatic contributions to a retirement account. Tip 3. Reduce your expenses. Reducing your expenses is a great way to save money from your salary. You can do this by cutting back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying expensive clothes. Instead, try to cook at home and shop for affordable clothing. You can also try negotiating your bills or switching to a cheaper service provider. Tip 4. Earn extra income. Earning extra income can also help you save money from your salary. Consider getting a side job or selling items you no longer need. You can also look for freelance opportunities or start a small business on the side. Tip 5. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is crucial for saving money from your salary. Try to pay off any existing debts as soon as possible and avoid taking on new debts. This will help you save money in the long run by avoiding interest payments. Saving money from your salary while working may seem challenging, but with these tips and tricks, it can be done. Remember to set a budget, automate your savings, reduce your expenses, earn extra income, and avoid debt. By following these steps, you can achieve your financial goals and build a stable future for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found these tips helpful.